Your cafe appliance comes with standard handles, but we also offer a choice of complementary colors to customize your appliances. In this video, we will show you how to remove the standard handle and replace it with a new handle. For demonstration purposes, we're showing the removal and replacement of an oven handle. However, your appliance handle may have a different orientation. Refrigerator handles are vertical, but these instructions still apply. To begin removing the handle, you will need the 1/8" Allen wrench, which is included with your kit. Locate the set screws on the handle caps. They are usually on the less visible side. For this oven, they are on the underside of the handle. Support the handle as you loosen the set screw on one end of the handle cap with the Allen wrench. Don't completely remove the screw. Continue supporting the handle as you loosen the set screw on the other handle cap. Then, carefully pull the handle away from the door and set aside. Carefully place the new handle over the fastener pegs on the door. Remember to place the screw side of the handle toward the less visible side. Support the handle as you tighten the set screw on one end of the handle cap with the Allen wrench. Continue supporting the handle as you tighten the other handle cap set screw, being sure not to over-tighten. If you're replacing handles on a refrigerator, you'll need to perform the same steps on the other handle or handles. Once you've finished, step back and enjoy your newly customized appliance.